Hi everyone, this is our final year project named Human Tracking System using NASA for Wireless Environments. Three of us, Pavitra P, Kartika K, Devika J, undertaken this in our 8th semester under the guidance of Mr. T. Praveen. Domain we considered here is mobile computing. As we all know very well, mobile computing is always user friendly. Purpose of our project is user does not need to carry any device to detect localization. Person stands at the radio map locations not carrying any device and its effect on the different data streams received at the monitoring point recorded. Avoid noisy wireless channel. Changes in the environment produce precious result. User does not participate actively in the localization process. And to talk about our abstract, the main aim is to run a DFP system to track an entity anytime, anywhere. In the base paper which we considered, every time an entity has to interrupt with a microwave sent from an access point to monitoring point. But here, there is no need of those things. This is one, and our existing system is only made for enclosed environments, but our proposed system made for anytime, anywhere. But our present system is envisioned to be able to detect, track and identify entities that do not carry any device. To show our demo, here we included the screenshots of our mobile app. When initially pressing our app or else touching, it will be asking for user access permissions. When we allow by clicking install button, our app will be installed. Center at means to an entity's current position. Initially, an entity's current position will be tracked. And here by pressing that green color add symbol, we can add our alarm contacts. Alarm contacts, which means once we adding those contacts, our present location will be sent to those contacts in a period of time. And then options will be showing so many options for show police, show alarms, show reports. We can enable them and disable them whenever we want. Then, the main purpose and the main concept of a project are to say like the main feature, an extra feature added is enable to shake alarm. Enable shake to alarm. It means when we are in an emergency, we can send a message to our alarm contacts just by shaking our mobile in a 30 threshold value. And then automatically our customized message will be sent to our alarm contacts. And then one more special feature here to talk about is just by swiping our screen to the left, we can see the number of police stations available nearby and the address of those police stations and how far those police stations from our present location. And then by swiping the screen to the right, we can see the history of alarms, when and all and whenever we send alarm to our contacts. And then so many options like walk with me and points of interest are there. Point of interest means we can add a point as interest of our own. Then wherever we go, we can find a way to go that particular point with a GPS usage. That's all. When we don't want track SOS in our mobile, just by clicking the uninstall button, we can uninstall our app that will be get out of our mobile phone with backup storage. Thank you.